Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce NMR Pipetector. My name is Peter Gosling, and I am the Managing Director of Japan System Planning UK Ltd. NMR Pipetector is a unique, worldwide recognized product developed by Dr. Katsuyuki Kumano, a scientist and the president of Japan System Planning Co., Limited based in Tokyo. NMR Pipetector was first introduced over 25 years ago. In January 2004, JSP and JSP UK successfully launched NMR Pipetector into the UK market. A success demonstrated by numerous positive test reports. NMR Pipetector requires no electrical connections, uses no chemicals, and comes with a 10-year product warranty. It is completely maintenance-free throughout its lifetime, which exceeds 40 years. Once installed on closed-loop systems, such as central heating and chilled water pipework, no further chemical inhibitors are needed. Additionally, it eliminates issues related to electrolysis between galvanized steel and copper pipes. After preventing further corrosion buildup, NMR Pipetector converts existing internal corrosion into magnetite, a substance only 1/10 the volume of corrosion, impervious to water, and resistant to bacterial growth. This conversion improves hydraulic parameters and thermal conductivity, reducing energy costs. NMR Pipetector is available in sizes ranging from 15 mm up to 2000 mm, half an inch to 6 feet in internal diameter. Water is composed of large clusters, each containing free electrons. By themselves, these electrons have no impact on eliminating internal corrosion. However, once NMR Pipetector is installed on a hot, cold, heating, or chilled water pipe, it immediately breaks down these large clusters into smaller ones. The free electrons within are then relocated to the outer surface of each small cluster. This process is achieved through a specific frequency and wavelength of electromagnetic waves discovered by Dr. Kumano, which is the patented technology behind NMR Pipetector. While there are millions of frequency waves in the world, some of which are used to communicate with submarines through their steel hulls, NMR Pipetector's specific waves similarly penetrate steel pipes to eliminate internal corrosion and bacteria without an outer membrane, also known as gram-positive bacteria. NMR Pipetector keeps water in its treated state for up to 6 hours. However, as long as the water is circulating continuously or most of the time, NMR Pipetector provides daily protection against internal corrosion and non-membrane bacteria. I want to emphasize that NMR Pipetector is not a magnetic device. To demonstrate the effectiveness of NMR Pipetector in reducing iron content, we recommend taking water samples from various hot, cold, heating, or chilled water pipe systems. These samples should be analyzed by an independent, accredited water testing company. Based on the analysis, we can determine the best pipe for the installation. A plant room survey will be necessary to confirm the exact diameter of the pipe, ensuring the insulation material is removed to get an accurate measurement. This survey also helps determine the correct purchase cost of NMR Pipetector. Once the appropriate size of NMR Pipetector is selected, it can then be installed on the pipe. It is important to note that only one unit of NMR Pipetector is needed to protect the entire pipe system. After the successful installation of NMR Pipetector, in general, we recommend taking additional water samples every 2 weeks. These samples should also be analyzed for iron content by the same independent testing lab. We should see a significant drop in iron levels from the first sample taken before NMR Pipetector was installed. For your reference, consider the test report from the British Museum. The initial water sample taken before the NMR Pipetector installation showed a high iron content of 20 mg per liter. However, just 1 week after installation, the iron level dropped to 12.2 mg per liter, and 5 weeks later, it was further reduced to 0.2 mg per liter. This means that initial corrosion is effectively halted, and the entire central heating water pipework system is provided with lifelong protection, as internal corrosion is converted into magnetite.